In this webinar, we're going to show you how to use inside the custom list tool the category and subject selection feature. And as we go and log in here and get started, I'm going to explain to you a little bit why this feature is really quite helpful to you. So we're going to go into the My Lists. Now you can just shop our website using the categories. Obviously you can select your category and click on that and it'll bring up your list and you can select which category you want or which subject you want. But the one thing that the website, the functionality of the website doesn't have is where you can shop multiple categories at one time. Every time you're going to have to go back and reload again another category. And the really nice thing about this tool is it's going to give you the ability to load multiple categories and subjects all at one time and put it into one list to save you time. And then you can save that list and then you can keep coming back to it if you have a specific things that you need to search for all the time under categories and subjects. So we're going to go ahead and create a list here again, and we're going to select a category. This is what we're doing with today, and then we'll move forward. And so here we're going to have the ability to select our categories and subjects from this list. And the example I like to use is for science fiction bookstore potentially. They want to just look at fiction titles in the science fiction genre. So if we click on fiction, and right now we can see that all the subjects are being selected, but we don't want all of the subjects, so we're just going to scroll down till we get to the science fiction. We're going to click on that, and then probably at the same time we also want to look at things like maybe looking at occult, and maybe we want to add in some horror, and we also probably want to add fantasy in as well, maybe ghost as well. So we've selected now 5 subjects under the category. But then, of course, we don't need just to go under fiction. We can look under science or under children's fiction as well. And if we scroll down, we can have children's science fiction titles. So we're going to go ahead and add that one. And then if we scroll down our list again here, we can probably take a look at also our tween fiction. And of course, under tween fiction, we'll find science fiction as well. And then under our young adult fiction, we can look through that as well. And we're going to have science fiction in this as well. So there we go. So now we've loaded in a bunch of different things here. So we're going to go ahead and move this forward again. And then we have all of our headers pre-selected for us, so that's good. We'll go ahead and move this on again. And here, if we look in this list, we've got 4 categories selected, and we've got 8 subjects in total. So we can go ahead and create our list. We'll name it Sci-Fi Catalog. And we'll go ahead and create this list. And we're going to go ahead and view that. And now we've got a sci-fi catalog loaded up with all these different things that we have loaded into it. So another way that this can be useful is for other things like, I think of a Christian bookstore who would look for titles not only under religious and spirituality, but there would be fiction titles again that would be religious fiction titles. There'd be biographies that you could look underneath that would have religious biographies. So there's all different places that is scattered throughout our entire category subject selection. So that way you can compile a list with all of these things into one main catalog that you can view. And then again, using our scheduler, you can have that catalog delivered to you as often as you like. So this is a really, again, powerful tool. We hope you'll use that. And if you got any questions, please get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you.